Hello guys, you use smartphone Poco C40. This version 3GB RAM and 30GB internal memory. Okay. Look complementation to the device. In complementation we have adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Now talk about device. Device made of plastic. On the back side double camera fingerprint scanner. On the front side 6.7 inch. On this side power buttons and volume buttons. Slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Upside headphones jack we have. Downsides Type-C port, speaker and microphone. Turn on device. We have IPS HD resolution display, 60 Hz, and open tests. Geekbench 5. We have CPU GLQ-GR510, this octa-core processor 4+4 cores, and GPU Mali G52. Look results, single core score and multi-core score, and GPU test results doesn't have. Okay. Look into the benchmark. Okay. And now run GTA San Andreas the magic game. Okay, game load. And works very good. Close this. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.